Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Olajuwonka. Yeah, Jason YK. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm gonna be analyzing the market for the week. What I'll be looking out for this week. So, firstly, we're gonna start with DXY. As you all know, my main trade is GBP USD, but I trade other pairs also. So today I'm going to be analyzing three pairs: DXY, GBP USD, and then Euro USD. So let's start with GBP USD so that we can know the strength of dollar. Okay. Firstly, we go to our monthly to check the trend of the market. As we can see now, from the monthly. These are monthly. From the monthly, USD is very strong. It has been strong for a while now, and then we are on uptrend. And if you observe very well from the monthly, from here, this is a resistance. This is another resistance where market was reacting to before. It broke it out. I don't want to have so much lines on my chart. That's why I deleted some. Here was a resistance before where market has been reacting to. Then it eventually broke it, retest, and then broke this one also. This is another one, another strong resistance, which market has broken already. Okay. So that's another resistance which market broke recently here. Yeah, here. Market broke this, recently reacted to it, and then now we have a breakout since the beginning of this month. Okay, so now what I'm looking out for, then let's go to weekly and see what's going on. Okay, we can see from here, from the weekly, that there was a breakout on this resistance and there was a retest. Now, currently, I'm buying this USD. For the past 3 weeks now, USD has been very strong. We can see it. And I'm expecting it to all the way to this point. So you can see we still have a very long way to go. I'm expecting this next resistance here. So that's just it. Then let's go to our daily. The weekly is telling us uptrend. Now our daily now is also telling is aligned with our weekly, which is also telling us that okay, we're in uptrend on DXY. So, and we all know that whenever DXY is buying, Euro USD is gonna sell, GBP USD is gonna sell also. Okay, so any pair that the base currency start with USD is gonna follow DXY, like USD JPY. When DXY is buying, USD JPY is gonna buy. Okay, but any pair that the quote currency starts with ends with USD, like Euro USD, is gonna go the opposite direction. I hope you get that. Or shall I say it again? Any pair that starts with that the base start with USD is gonna align with DXY, and any pair that the quote is USD, like Euro USD, is going to go the opposite direction. So this week, all I will just be looking out for is just to sell Euro USD and GBP USD, because on DXY, we already had a breakout here. It retested, gave us a pattern, double bottom here, and then now it's going up. So now let's go to the current market. All I'll just be looking out for here. So this is our GBP USD. All right, this is good. Now we can see that from what we said, you can see that GBP USD has also been on a downtrend, on a very strong downtrend for recent now. These are daily charts. So now DXY is very strong. So I'm expecting this one to be weak, to be selling, which is GBP USD to be selling. Okay. So all I'll just be looking for on this pair now is selling opportunity. We can see that when the market opened now, it broke this point, this support on Friday. Okay, it broke this point on Friday, and then when markets open this week, I'm going to, all I will be expecting is just to sell all the way to this point, which is the next support, Let's go to a weekly to see where the line is coming from. You can see the line came from the low of 16th March 2020, which was during COVID. So I'm expecting GBP USD to sell up to this point, to the low of this point, COVID low. So all I'll just be, then don't just jump into trade, okay? Then let's go to our 4 hours. So you just look for an entry. You don't jump into this kind of market. So just wait for at least retest, for market to retest back to at least this point, then you join the trade, okay? So that's what's gonna happen this week on GBP USD. That's what I'm expecting, okay? Now let's go to Euro. So on Euro USD, let's start with our weekly. So we can see that Euro has also been trending on a very strong downtrend. And then eventually this support has been holding the market for a while. This is 2015, 2016. It tried to break it, but it couldn't, okay? Now, eventually, July 2022, we had a breakout from this point, okay? We had a breakout and market retested on the 8th of August. So all the way, what I'm expecting on this market is just to sell all the way to this place. I'm expecting Euro selling all the way down here, okay? So we can see now this is the next support. But mind you, we cannot overemphasize this point. So market will surely react once it gets to this point as well. Market will react on getting to this point because we can see another support there, but there might be a little reaction from here, okay? But what I'll be expecting on Euro USD this week is to sell. I'm not going to be looking for any buying opportunity. All I will just do is now, let's go to our daily, is just to look for entry candle and entry pattern on this pairs, okay? All I will just do is to look for entry candle and entry pattern on all these pairs, okay? So you can just go to your maybe 4 hours or 1 hour, then look for your entry candle, okay? You just look for little retracements, maybe these are 4 hours, maybe up to this point, okay? Okay, you can just look for a little retracement. And just look for a little retracement and then you join the, but mind you, market is coming down, like it's coming down. It's coming down, or you look for breakout of this point. Once it breaks out, then wait for retest and then join. It's going to come down all the way. All right, so that's what I'll be looking out for this week. Okay, yeah, thank you. If you like this video, drop your comment and then subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it. All right,